Hey guys, today I'm gonna make cabbage. In the cabbage, I already add um, pepper, like green pepper, red pepper, carrots, and that's how it looks. It's my cabbage. This is the pot it's gonna be in, and I'm gonna turn the stove on to medium high or high. Now I have my fan going, so it's gonna be hard. I'm gonna put extra virgin olive oil in there. I put about 2 tablespoons. So once the pot is hot, then let it hot a little bit more. So I'm gonna put my cabbage in the pan. Stir it.
While you are watching, if you can give me a thumbs up,
Add some seasoning there.
hit the like button, also subscribe. Please share it with families and friends. So I'm adding different all-purpose seasoning to my pot, and I also add black pepper and garlic seasoning. You can add whatever you like to it. I like to add different spices.
All-purpose seasoning. Paprika. Garlic powder. Black pepper. Taste a little bit.
This is a very delicious side dish. You can serve it with over rice. You can eat it by itself, or you can add it with crackers, plantains. It is a great dish.
Add a little bit more. Yeah.
As you see, I'm eating this with fish, baked sweet potato. I had some avocado to it and some tomatoes, also some cucumbers, and it is very delicious. Again, thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also comment below.